Guys, this is Justin. Today I made a trade on MU, the ABCD pattern. Right here you can see. I was actually watching a 3-minute chart for my entry. So 2-day, 3-minute. This is what I was. This is what I was watching on a separate screen. So MU kind of took off, went up again. It was pulling back, and I saw it kind of hitting this 9 EMA. And so I was watching that, and after I saw that, I turned over to the 1-minute chart and the 5-minute chart, and I was also watching the daily. And on the daily chart, I saw that there was really no resistance really up here to keep it from going up. And I was hoping it would go up more, but it didn't. And then the 5-minute chart, it looked a little bit extended from the VWAP right here, except it did have this wick down here and it came back up, so I thought it was still strong and still had another leg up. And also right here on the 1-minute chart, I saw this volume coming in. So you see a lot of selling. The red is a lot of selling, and then you see the buyers coming in right here with the green. And so I was confident that there's a lot of buying volume, and you can see here people kept buying it up, and a lot of buying right here. And so yeah, I got in right here, about right here, and then I just held up to here for my largest exit was at 0.24 cents, which is awesome. That's perfect for me. Unfortunately, I only did 250 shares with the stop loss right under these two candles, so it was a 20-cent stop loss. So I only got a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, a little bit more than 1-to-1. And then I was hoping I held more shares. I should have got out a little bit right here, but I got out here. I held a little more shares hoping for it to go up, but it just looked like it was kind of dying off, so I got out of it. And you could see the rest of the day it kind of just fell flat. And it hasn't really I think it went back to VWAP. Yeah, right here you can see that it went reversed back to VWAP. But my risk is only $50 per trade because I did do 1 week where my risk was $100 per share. I made a little bit and I lost a little bit, but I lost more than I made, so I kind of had to regather my plan because I didn't want to lose too much because I needed to kind of survive. So I brought my risk per trade down to $50 just so I could still trade live, but also be able to survive longer, just in case I do bad. But I cut my losses really well. So when I was losing last week, I didn't lose that much, but I just didn't win enough. I had one huge loser on it, a huge winner on MU. But anyways, this is my trade today. I noticed that when I lowered my risk per trade to $50, like I wasn't really scared. I was okay with losing $50 versus losing $100. There was more emotion involved, so this actually made it a lot easier for me to sit through this trade because I was like, it's just $50. But then, I came back. I only made $47 out of this, so it wasn't much. And then I had 3 tickets that I had to pay for, so 1, 2, 3. Right now I'm negotiating. My commissions for TD Ameritrade is $3.95 per trade, but right now I'm negotiating that to $2.95 per trade, so it'll only be $3. And a lot of people with TD Ameritrade have only $3 commission, so I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna get that. I just gotta keep bugging them over and over again. Anyways, that's it for me. I'm just taking it real slow right now, just getting the experience in. So every once in a while I'll probably post a recap video, but don't expect a lot from me right now because I'm not sure how many trades I'll be making. Anyways, thank you Andrew, for all your help with teaching us all.